Want to take your video to the next level? Let me show you how. Today, we're going to make cookies, but without an oven. We've got a fun project for you, making your own cookie, otherwise known as a Cucoloris. A Cucoloris is a light modifier that creates interesting and dynamic shadows by blocking or diffracting light. Photographers use it to add texture and depth to their images, transforming an ordinary scene into something visually striking. The Cucoloris breaks up the light from a natural or artificial source, giving it a more natural appearance. It can create the illusion of movement by casting shadows or shining light through a leafy canopy. When you use a tree branch, it is called a brancholoris. Materials that you will need for this project. One, design your pattern. 2, cut it out. Carefully use the utility knife or scissors to cut out your design and make sure the edges are clean for a polished look. Always make sure when you're using sharp objects that you are careful and/or that an adult is nearby. 3, optional step. You can paint it black once your design is cut out. It helps absorb light and creates a defined shadow, but in our case we left it as is. Experiment with different distances, angles and light sources to see the unique effects you can achieve. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Well, that wraps up our DIY Cucoloris tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this project and that it adds a new dimension to your photography or videography. Please give it a try and share your results with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more photography DIYs and tips.